Are you tired of complicated Web3 gaming platforms that make it difficult for you to navigate and enjoy your gaming experience? Look no further than Aura's state of the art platform. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a gaming studio, Aura offers a variety of features designed to make your experience in the Web3 space as seamless and enjoyable as possible. Welcome to Crypto Explainer. In today's video, we will be diving into the exciting world of crypto gaming and NFTs. Specifically, we'll be discussing how you can play to earn in these innovative games. Our channel is dedicated to providing valuable information and insights on all things crypto, and we're thrilled to be exploring this rapidly growing industry. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the exciting world of Aura crypto gaming and NFTs. Aura's state-of-the-art platform for Web3 gaming offers a host of features aimed at simplifying and enhancing the user experience. One of these features is Aura's data-packed NFT cards. These NFT cards help gamers make faster decisions by providing better data representation at a glance. Aura's NFT card design focuses 50-50 on visuals and data to provide the best of both worlds. Aura's platform makes it super easy for users to list their NFTs. With a streamlined and user-friendly interface, users can quickly upload and showcase their NFT cards on Aura. The platform provides a hassle-free experience for sellers to list their NFTs, making it convenient for gamers to buy, sell, and trade their digital assets. Aura caters to different types of gamers on the platform, including collectors, racers, and breeders. Collectors focus on collecting Genesis horses for their scarcity and future value. Racers search for good racers, horses with high win and place rates, so they know what to expect. Breeders buy quality horses and utilize the game's genetic algorithm to produce more. Gamers can find their choice of horse and even name it for added value and creativity. Aura offers the flexibility to create custom tournaments and private tournaments, allowing gamers to play with their friends or customize their gaming experience. This feature provides a unique and personalized experience for gamers, giving them the opportunity to create their own tournaments with specific rules and challenges. It fosters a sense of community and social interaction among players, making the gaming experience more engaging and enjoyable. Exhaustive filters to narrow your search. Aura's platform offers exhaustive filters to help gamers narrow their search and find the horses they want quickly. The filters are new, fast, and provide sharper results. Gamers can filter by status, genotype, bloodline, gender, breed type, coat color, number of races, class, win percent, and place percent. These filters are especially useful for gamers who are looking for specific horses for their collection or racing needs. With the filters, gamers can easily find horses that match their criteria and make informed decisions. Simple, intuitive wallet and supported tokens. Aura's platform offers a simple and intuitive wallet that currently shows 6 supported tokens: USDC, ZED, DAI, USDT, Matic, and Ethereum. Gamers can use these tokens to complete purchases on Aura's marketplace on the Polygon network. Having a simple and intuitive wallet on the platform is crucial for providing a seamless user experience. Gamers can easily access and use their tokens to buy horses or participate in tournaments without any hassle. Upcoming best-in-class NFT games on Aura's marketplace. Aura's marketplace currently has Zedrun live, but they're also launching 5 more best-in-class NFT games soon. These games are Sorare, Axie Infinity, Gods Unchained, Pegaxy, and Illuvium. Aura's focus on providing the best-in-class NFT games shows their commitment to providing top-quality gaming experiences for their users. By offering a range of games on their platform, they can cater to different types of gamers and provide more opportunities for play to earn. Wager, Aura's innovative tournament platform. Aura's platform also offers an innovative tournament platform called Wager. This platform allows users to create personalized Web3 gaming tournaments, customize scoring systems, and make their own tourney rules. Currently, it supports the digital horse racing game, Zedrun, on the platform, but more Web3 games will be onboarded soon. Wager is designed to give gamers a space to take control and create and compete in tournaments on their terms. This is especially important since early adopters dominate the current Web3 gaming space, making it challenging for newbies and small players who can't make big investments to get neglected. Here is how Wager works. Aura Zedrun tournaments on Wager. As we discussed earlier, early adopters dominate the current Web3 gaming space. This leaves newbies and small players who cannot make big investments feeling neglected. To give gamers a space to take control and create and compete in tournaments on their terms, Aura has created Wager. Wager is an innovative tournament platform on Aura that allows users to create personalized Web3 gaming tournaments, customize scoring systems, and make their own tourney rules. Currently, it supports the digital horse racing game Zedrun on the platform, but more Web3 games will be onboarded soon. Aura is hosting a series of exciting Zedrun tournaments on Wager. Users can participate in these tournaments and have a chance to win amazing prizes. What's even better is that players can stay updated about these tournaments on Aura's Twitter and Discord. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to take control of your gaming experience and compete with other players on your terms. Head over to Aura and join the exciting Zedrun tournaments on Wager. Aura not only offers exciting gameplay and features, but they also frequently host free promotional tournaments for gamers to participate in. These tournaments provide opportunities for players to win exclusive rewards and showcase their skills in competitive gameplay. Aura also keeps its community updated with regular updates and announcements on their Twitter account, ensuring that gamers stay tuned and informed about the latest developments and improvements on the platform. This commitment to continuous updates and promotions adds value to the user experience and keeps the community engaged and excited about the platform's offerings. So, following Aura's Twitter account can be beneficial for gamers to stay updated and make the most out of their gaming experience on Aura's platform. To wrap up, Aura is a state-of-the-art platform for Web3 gaming that offers a host of features aimed at simplifying and enhancing the user experience in Web3. Its data-packed NFT cards, exhaustive filters, and intuitive wallet make it easier for gamers to find and collect their favorite NFTs. Moreover, Wager provides a space for gamers to take control of their gaming experience and compete in personalized tournaments on their terms. We encourage you to explore Aura's platform and try out its innovative features. Who knows, you may end up finding your next favorite NFT game. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.